You're watching NBC 5 News at 10.
Turning now to the trial for an 18-year-old charged with murdering his 17-year-old girlfriend. That trial began today with emotional testimony. Ikea Hood was a junior on the Tigerette drill team at Lancaster High. She'd just given birth just 3 weeks before her death. And as one expert tells Keenan Willard, her mother's testimony today could be key in court.
And today, multiple family members of Ikea Hood took the stand here, breaking down as they described what they found at the scene moments after her death. Today, some experts tell us that emotional testimony could play a big role in this trial.
In front of a Dallas judge today, Takoya Lester described the moment she found her daughter dead in her bedroom.
This hurt. I stopped in the window and I touched the baby and grabbed her hair. I couldn't see all of that.
On January 7th last year, police say 17-year-old Ikea Hood was shot and killed in her family's home on Grambling Drive. Hood was shot feet away from her 3-week-old baby girl, her first child. Family says Hood was a junior at Lancaster High School and a member of the Tigerette drill team. U.S. Marshals arrested Trayvon Wright, who was also 17 at the time. The family says Wright and Hood had been dating, but broke things off after Hood discovered Wright wasn't the father of her baby. In an arrest affidavit, Lester says Wright was at her home visiting Hood and the baby when a gunshot sounded from Hood's bedroom. Lester says the door was locked, so she went outside and climbed halfway through the window, finding Wright gone and her daughter unmoving.
I rolled her over. She was laying on her side. I rolled her over.
Wright was charged with first-degree murder. In defending him today, Wright's attorney argued that no one saw his client pull the trigger.
You're trying to figure it out because you were not in the room when the gun discharged, correct?
Correct.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
NBC 5 spoke with a trial expert not involved in the case who tells us the emotional testimony from Hood's family could significantly impact jurors.
I can tell you that when a particularly sympathetic victim or family member of a victim testifies, it can sway jurors to go in a direction they might otherwise not go in. That absolutely is the case.
For the victim's family, a difficult process of wading through one of the worst days of their lives.
Yes, I'm having to relive this all over again.
Keenan Willard, NBC 5.